Hello everyone, how are you all? As we all know 2021 का बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन कैंसिल हो चुका है एंड ये आपके लिए शॉकिंग होगा या मे बी आपके लिए गुड न्यूज़ होगा. बहुत सारे बच्चे सैड भी हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे खुश भी हैं. बट since last year we have been preparing for the board examination and we have been discussing the important questions. And it's okay, 2021 का cancel हो चुका है, but I have decided to take up the target series like we had done in 2021. We'll be discussing the same for the 2022, and those students preparing for the biology and they want to get the good scores or good marks in terms of biology state board, they can follow this series, because in this series, like last year we had discussed the number of important questions, like this year also we'll be having a this entire duration up to the November or December. We can discuss the number of things for your preparation, and in that way we'll be getting a good marks. So now this series I am starting from the July month, and in that way we have an ample amount of time, and the students, they can follow this series will be beneficial. By like you can go through the last year ka series and you can just analyze the things कि हमने कैसे important questions discuss किए थे, how I had given you the number of tricks and techniques to draw the certain diagrams, and this year also we'll be doing the same, right? So now after releasing this video, you will have a number of things, or you will have a number of questions in your mind, so that you can ask me in the comment section. Or else what we can do is like for example, number of students approaching me for the 1 year course, and they are just doing the biological preparation for the sake of board preparation only. They are not going into the medical examination, so they just have to prepare for the board. And yes, those students, like they want to focus on JE, or if they want to focus on you can say, if they want to focus on any other examination, but still they have taken the biology as a subject in 12th standard for board preparation, I am saying. So these students can refer this series, because this will be a I'm not saying this is a shortcut at all, but this would be a smart study, right? जैसे हमने last year भी किया था. So this year also we'll be doing the series in a way that we'll be discussing a techniques, we'll be discussing a number of questions. If anybody has any doubt, you can just let me know in comment section. You can ask me anything in terms of 1 year biology preparation. I'll be giving you answers of each and every possible comment. So yes, this series would be starting from the July month, and we'll be discussing the how you should learn the chapter, and see how you should efficiently learn the chapter, or what could be the technique you should apply to learn single concept or any kind of different concept, or I would say the difficult concept. We'll be discussing how you should be drawing the diagram, and how many hours you should dedicate if you want to get the good marks in the biology in terms of board. So these are the things we'll be discussing throughout the series. What we are going to do is, we'll be like suppose for example, somebody has asked me about the 1 year preparation, but he wants to go for the JE preparation, and he doesn't want to go as a core subject in terms of biology. So ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स को ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करना है बायो में, एंड ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स ये सीरीज़ को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. एंड बाय फॉलोइंग दिस सीरीज़ यू विल बी प्रिपेयरिंग बायोलॉजी वेरी इफिशिएंटली. जो स्टूडेंट बहुत अच्छा करना चाहते हैं बायो में, इफ़ दे वांट टू गो फॉर द नीट प्रिपरेशन ऑल्सो, दे कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो दिस सीरीज़, बिकॉज दिस सीरीज़ में विल बी कवरिंग ईच एंड एवरी माइन्यूट डिटेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ बायोलॉजी 12th standard. Again, I am repeating the same thing, because but the highlight for this video is just to prepare the 12th standard biology in terms of state board, Maharashtra state board. We'll start this series in the July month, and then we'll be preparing systematically throughout the year, so that at the end of the year you will not feel a very much kind of pressure or burden on you. We'll be doing a very systematic study. ऐसा मैं हमेशा बोलती आई हूँ कि बायोलॉजी ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो कि बहुत स्मार्टली हम कर सकते हैं इसका प्रिपरेशन. You will not require a much effort on this, because there is a certain way to prepare for certain subject, and biology के लिए बहुत systematically अगर हम पढ़ते हैं तो we'll be able to perform very good in that subject and we'll be able to get the good marks in that subject. And if any doubt, you can let me know. If any kind of suggestion you want from me, you can just let me know in comment section. I would say this video हम लोग कुछ comments के लिए highlight करेंगे. You can just comment me any doubt from your end and I'll be trying to give you an answer from my end also. So let's start this series for the 2022 student and let's hope for the best because इस साल का तो cancel हो चुका है and we have been preparing since like real I have been giving you the important questions काफ़ी लंबे time से. So ठीक है, it's okay, we can also do same for this year also and you can follow this series and just to make a difference in terms of biology and you can get the good score. See you in the board preparation series for 2022 students. See you.